So hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today my friends we are gonna talk about my OBS settings. Okay, for me it's the perfect settings. Okay, I have made a lot of tests, sorry, to achieve this quality. And there are many people coming over to my streams asking me I want to start streaming, doing some stuff on Twitch. Can you please explain me your settings? So I took the decision, let's go and do a little tutorial about my settings. So I mean, in general there is not much to say. You just go for the language you want, a theme, that means you can change a theme black or green or whatever. Then this you keep it checked, this unchecked. Okay, those three unchecked. Then source alignment enabled, sure, because if you are like doing your sources, okay, if you're doing, it's gonna help you out, you know, just to fill the corner and stuff. Here you uncheck all of those. Here you enable the system tray, there you uncheck those. And then the studio mode, I don't use it, I have both unchecked, but if you do, I don't know what you have to check because I don't go for studio mode. Okay, then let's go for the interesting part. You go for the stream. Okay, the stream, you let it to streaming services. Then here service, you take whatever you want. For me it's Twitch. Okay, then the server, always keep it at auto. There is no real reason you should change it. Then the stream key, that's the stream key you have to take from your Twitch profile, and then you paste it in. Okay, so that's it for this page. And then the output is the most important thing. There I have a rate control of CBR. Okay, I take CBR, the bitrate. So very important, the bitrate. The bitrate, as you know, maybe Twitch, they limit the max bitrate that you send out. Most people say 3,500, others say 4,000 and okay. I have a 10,000, okay, because my PC afford it, my internet can afford it. I could even do more, but I have just 10,000. When I'm streaming, it's showing like about 6,000 to 7,000 that it is sending in. Also on Twitch, it is arriving, but I don't know what is showing to the viewers, so I have just 10,000. But what is very important, if you are like starting right now, okay, like right now streaming, lower it to 3,000. Okay, 3,000, because if it's more, you don't have the transcode enabled at like the beginning or the start of your streaming. You will have like 1 viewer, 2 viewers and stuff, and you're not affiliated, you will not have transcode. What is transcode? Is when somebody is watching you, he can say like quality low, medium, high and HD. Okay, if you put like 10,000 bitrate and you don't have the transcode, the guy that is watching you, he has to watch at the same bitrate that you are sending. So if his internet is shitty, okay, or his PC is not that good, or on the mobile phone, he can't watch. It's gonna be laggy as hell, he's not gonna watch. Okay, very important. As long as you're not affiliated and you have like at least 6-7 viewers, because it's like an algorithm of Twitch. That means they say, okay, 10,000 channels, for example, are enabled for transcode at the same point. And if people like, they take the best 10,000. The partners always, okay, they have always, even though they have 1 viewer and you are affiliated for 10,000 viewers, okay, at the same point, he's gonna get the transcode. And they are gonna take the rank. So if you have 1-2 viewers, just go to 3,000 bitrate so that you don't mess it up. Here 0 preset high quality. Here main auto on level. Here you check it. Okay, GPU 0 and B frames 2. Believe me, guys, I have made so many tests, so many. Believe me, this is the best settings at least for me. Then recording, you go like also like that. There is not much to say because you can go always for 10,000 bit rates. You can even put more, whatever, because he's not gonna use your internet. Okay, it's actually if you are recording, you want the best quality. So then we have audio. I don't have anything. Replay buffer, I don't have. Okay, replay buffer, I guess it is when you click like on one key, he's gonna like record the past few seconds or whatever you say. So I don't have it because it like eats a lot of not power but of your internet, and it can become a bit laggy because he is always like recording the past 1 minute or 2 minutes, because at any moment you could click on it and then he is gonna record it. It's very cool. For example, in CSGO I have like used it, you know, at the moment when I had like an amazing rounds, I have put the replay buffer for 5 minutes. I clicked on it and it was saved. So on audio 48 stereo, here you let it, he's gonna always like take the one that is active. Here disabled. There you can put like the your microphone. By me it's voice meter because it is an application where I put my my little bikini on, and then disabled fast, and there you don't use it, you don't change it. And then video, here you keep it 1920, here 1920 to 1080. Okay, you keep it. Downscale 32. It is green because I'm recording right now. Okay, that's why, but you can change it. And common FPS values, keep it on 60. Okay, I have just like something yeah, here it's very important. I forgot because it was green and I just realized I was recording. Sorry. Here you keep it NVing. Okay, you keep it. Okay, and then enforce streaming service encoder settings. Very important. Checked. Very important. And the rescale output 720. Why? Because it will like 720, even though somebody is watching with a not very good internet, it's gonna like look good. Okay, and like really only very big streamers are like streaming on 1080. You don't see really a difference. Okay, it's not worth it because it's tremendous if you change this from 720 to 1080. The difference on your internet is tremendous, so keep it like that. And then yeah, we were at the hotkeys. Yeah, here you put whatever you want. Okay, and then the advanced, very important, you put process priority normal, don't put it high or whatever. Direct 3D and V12. Here I didn't change anything. Default disabled Windows audio ducking. Then here all is the same. Stream delay, that's when you want, like for example, avoid ghosting like on CSGO, that you don't want to be at the same time like your screen and the stream at the same time. You put enable and then you put the seconds that you want so that they don't see where you are at that moment. Okay, when they are like watching your stream, sniping you. Automatically reconnect, yeah, enable. And what is very important here, my friends, here, okay, it's enable new networking code. Okay, but here normally is unchecked, low latency mode. Believe me, it's very important to avoid FPS drops in your games. Okay, believe me, I had so many problems with CSGO and somehow I fixed it just by checking this low latency. Okay, believe me what I'm saying. So that was it with my settings. If you wanna like me to do a new guide about, I don't know, how to put up a stream, how do I do my sources, or whatever, something else you're saying, okay, I don't know really, let me know, comment, like, subscribe, guys. I'm having a blast doing these guides for you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, nice night, and we see us next time. Bye, my friends. Love ya. Bye-bye.